everyone, welcome back to Miller Music Studios, where we're studying the Attwood Sonatina No. 4 in D from Theme and Variations. So we're going to learn the left hand today. Let's get started. We have F sharp and C sharp, remember, in our key signature. We're in D major. So this is a D, F sharp, A chord that's broken up. So you would play that like this. See, here's middle C, and there's the C below middle C, and here's the D where you're putting your 5. So it's D major twice. So we have D major in the left hand, D major, and this chord is C sharp, A, G, A. So C sharp, G, and A all played together. C sharp, G, and A is an A7, and you'll learn all about that in our musicianship track. So far we have D major, then there are 2 A7s and another D major, and I'll show you in the music. This is D major, A7, A7, D major with a D, F sharp, A. And now it gets fancy. B, B, 3 on G, 2 on G sharp, and 1 on A, A. So I think we should count this rhythm. This is 1 and 2 and 1, 2, and 1 and 2 and. This is D major in the extended position. I'll show you what that means. So you have D major, D, F sharp, and A all together. But if you extend it to the next D, that's called D major in the extended position. Now, if you play the D major chord with 5, 1, 3, 1, that's called Alberti bass. So instead of playing D major blocked now, we're going to play 5, 1, 3, 1. Do it again. 5, 1, 3, 1. Now play your A7, C sharp, G, and A, but play 5, 1, 2, 1. Ready, go. 5, 1, 2, 1. Again, 5, 1, 2, 1. Back to D major. Block it first. Now Alberti bass. 5, 1, 3, 1. Now the fancy part. 5 on B, 1 on B, 3 on G, 2 on G sharp, 1 on A staccato, staccato, and D major in the extended position. So I'm going to play that showing you the notes and then looking at my hand again. Ready, go. D, A, F sharp, A, C sharp, A, G, A, D, A, F sharp, A, B, B, G, G sharp, A, D, F sharp, A, D. All right, looking at my hand. Ready, go. Now we're in the second section. So this is A, C sharp, and E. That's A major, same thing here. A major, there's the A and the C sharp and the E on the ledger lines. And then we have E major, because there's the E, there's the G sharp, and there's the B. These are the things that you learn in our musicianship track. E major in the first inversion. So G sharp, B, and E. And then we go back to A major, A major, A major, E major, E, G sharp, and B, and then just an A. And then we'll go back to how we played at the beginning. Now, let's play these. So we said A major is A, C sharp, and E. We're block chording it. A major again. Now we move our 5 down to G sharp and 3 down to B. We keep our 1 on E. This is like the A major cadence. E major, back to A major, and we have 2 more A majors, E major, and just an A. Now I'm going to play it as it's written. A, E, C sharp, E, A, E, C sharp, E, G sharp, E, B, E, A, E, C sharp, E, A, E, C sharp, E, A, E, C sharp, E, G sharp, E, B, E, A, rest. Now looking at my hand. Ready, go. A major, A major, E major, A major, A major, A major, E major, and A. Now we go back to the beginning. So this is called ABA form because we could call the whole first section A, then the second section was a little different, so that's B, and then A comes back again. We have D major, let's play that, D, F sharp and A, D major. Now we have 2 A7s, which are like this, C sharp, G and A. We go back to our D major, and here's the fancy B, B, G, G sharp, A, and D. Now the first time when it went down to the D, it went D, F sharp, A, D, but this time it just stays on the D. Now let's look at our hand. Let's play the whole thing. Ready, go. You notice there are dynamics in this. We begin forte. The second section, the B section, is piano, which means soft. Poco ritardando, we slowly get slower here. 1 note at a time gets a little bit slower. Poco means a little. Ritardando means gradually get slower. And then a tempo means we go back to the original speed. And it's forte, that's loud, all the way to the end. Excellent job. Practice your left hand, get it just right, and I'll see you at the next video where we will learn how to play them together. Happy practicing. Here's your kiss.